One of the biggest opportunities our country has to tackle climate change is making transportation, especially aviation, more sustainable. The FAA and NASA have been working to solve this problem with a new system that reduces delays for the flying public, which means less fuel use and lower carbon emissions. Until recently, we didn't have predictable aircraft movement times. Traffic managers had to build in bigger buffers, which led to delays on the taxiways and runways, and increased fuel consumption and emissions. Now, with this new software, the FAA's air traffic organization, airlines, and airport ground operations can determine the best time for a plane to push back from the gate and roll essentially non-stop to the runway, then take off in a perfectly choreographed sequence. As planes depart, they join high-altitude en route traffic with greater efficiency and less airspace restrictions. The benefits include millions of gallons of fuel savings, reduced flight time, including waiting time on taxiways, and the elimination of more than 75,000 tons of CO2 emissions every year. The FAA will deploy this new surface management concept at 27 hub airports across the country. The FAA, partnering with NASA, is committed to reducing carbon emissions for aviation. Flying needs to be more sustainable, and this technology helps us get there.